Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the best short pixie cuts for women over 60 with fine hair in 2025. If you have fine hair and want a haircut that is stylish, easy to manage and full of life, then this video is for you. Pixie cuts are a timeless hairstyle. They are short, fresh, and can instantly make you look younger and more confident. The best part is pixie cuts work beautifully for fine hair because they add volume, shape, and a soft modern touch. Let's explore some of the top pixie styles for this year. The classic pixie styles, the layered pixie styles, the side swept pixie, the textured pixie, the pixie with long top, and many more ideas. Stylish, simple and clean cut that is short at the back and sides with slightly longer layers on top. It gives your fine hair mood by looks elegant without any effort. You can style it with a bit of mousse or spray and you are ready to go. Secondly, the layered pixie are fine hairs. They add movement and create the look of thicker strands. The swept side pixie cut is a long fried and swept to one side. It not only frames the face but also makes fine hair look fuller. The side swept pixie is cut, chic, trendy, and can hide forehead lines too, making it a favorite for many mature women. This style keeps the sides short but sleeves the long longer. The extra length on top can be slide it many ways, pixie wave or even sleek. This adds visibility to your fine hair and gives you more styling options for different occasions. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.